Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan Australian meat pie. Starting off, you're going to want 2 cups of TVP, which is dried soya mince, basically. You're going to want a tablespoon of vegan gravy granules. I'm using Bisto. You're going to want a can of tomatoes, tin tomatoes, and the best ones are San Marzano. If you can get that species of tomato, it's good. You want 2 bay leaves. You're going to want 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red wine. You can use white, I guess. Doesn't really matter. Well, maybe it does. Anyway, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegan Worcester sauce, 4 cloves of garlic. You want 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. You can use oregano, parsley, sage, rosemary. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Now, we're going to start off by boiling up the soya mince and let it soak for a bit. It's going to pretty much triple in size. Now, you want to rinse it, drain it, repeat basically until the water comes out clear. Next, we're going to take our San Marzanos and we're going to put them into a blender just to make it an even texture. We're going to lightly fry up our onions, garlic, red wine, soy sauce, Worcester sauce, and the ketchup. Give it a good stir. Drop in the bay leaves and the mixed herbs. Give that a good stir again. Then you're going to go in with the vegan mince and the San Marzanos, and you're going to make the gravy base. Okay, give that a good stir. Now, moving on, I'm using shop-bought puff pastry. It's simply convenient. I hate making it myself, and it's accidentally vegan most of the time anyway. I'm going to lay out the pastry in the pie bowl. I'm going to transfer what's essentially my little bolognese type of thing into there. Now, using plant-based milk, I'm just going to give a vegan egg wash around the edge, and I'm going to top that off with additional pastry. To seal it, I'm just poking it with a fork all around. There you go, give that a nice little egg wash, and you can make a nice little pattern on there for decoration. Doesn't really add anything. I'm going to bake that on 180 degrees C for about 30-40 minutes till it's golden on top. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. Traditionally, squirt some ketchup on there. And trust me, folks, this is absolutely delicious. It's filling, and it's just really, really yummy. Folks, if you enjoy vegan recipes from all around the world, please do give me a subscribe, a like, a follow, a comment. Everything is appreciated. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.